What if you had a direct one-on-one way to stay in contact with your customer base? What if you could do this by using a device that people are addicted to and keep with them at all times? Do you think this would keep them coming back to your establishment? Well, this is exactly what your own mobile app can do for your business. Consumers today always have their mobile phones within arm's reach. They're talking, texting, surfing the web, sending emails, using apps, and so much more. In fact, approximately 68% of mobile users download apps, and this number is steadily on the rise. What can a mobile app do for your local business? Well, for starters, mobile apps are the perfect way to build customer loyalty. Engaging with your audience and keeping your brand in front of them is powerful. With just a quick push notification, your customers will be instantly notified about special offers, coupons, discounts, and any other information you want to get across. Not only will this keep your brand in mind when they are in need of your type of product or service, but it will also put you a step ahead of your competitors. Chances are that most of them do not have mobile apps yet. Now, by being one of the few local companies in your industry with a mobile app, you can be viewed as a leader in the forefront of mobile technology. Are you ready to grab your share of the local mobile market? Contact us today for more information.